Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Adelle Perez and it has been a hot minute since I've uploaded a video to my YouTube channel. Sorry about that. I don't know really what happened. I think I just got caught up in my full-time job and yada yada yada. I will do an update video on that later. But today I'm gonna start off 2022, my first video being a little tidy up routine, how I kind of manage messes in my house without having to do a super deep clean. We could get a little old school using an actual broom and giant vacuum cleaner because I can't afford a Dyson vacuum, and you know what, that's okay. So if you guys are interested in today's video, definitely keep on watching, and if you do enjoy it, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, let's get into cleaning this mess. So right now I'm just doing a rough clean of all of the countertops. I'm just taking a regular paper towel and removing all of the crumbs that are on there, and any little crumbs just kind of throwing them on the ground. And I'm also doing the same thing with all of our bar stools or counter stools, just so that I can sweep everything all in one go and don't have to continue sweeping over and over again. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Method granite cleaner and spray all of the countertops on the island and by the stove, and wipe everything down with one of these reusable napkin towel things that I got at Target. I do go ahead and switch out for a sponge after a little bit because I noticed lots of sticky stuff all over my countertops. That's what happens when you have children under 5 years old. So I'm going to go ahead and do a deep scrub with the sponge and then go back and wipe everything down with the towel. So many new things have been happening in my life this past year and a half, and I can't wait to share them all with you. I opened a new small business, which is a little loungewear boutique that I've been working so hard on this past year. If you've been wondering where I've been, that's been taking up most of my time, and I can't wait to share with you all about that little adventure. And there are just so many other things that I can't wait to share with you. I'm so excited to be back here on YouTube and making videos again. It's definitely something that I enjoy doing, and I hope you guys will enjoy all of the new videos to come. The next task on my to-do list is washing these dishes. I did start the dishwasher earlier today, but we had lunch since then and I just want to have a fresh, clean kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and wash all the dishes that we used for lunch and get these out of the way.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
There is really nothing like washing some dishes by hand to really make you wish that your dishwasher was like 10 times bigger than it really is. I don't know about you guys, but I just cannot get with washing dishes. It's not something that I love to do, but I know it's something that I have to do. So, how do y'all feel about dishes? I know it relaxes some people, and some people like me just can't stand it. So, let me know in the comments down below. Are you a dishwashing lover or hater?
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
Alright, so finally finishing up with the dishes. I'm just going to clean all around the sink, any water that I might have splashed, and clean the faucet down, and then we are going to get to sweeping, and we are doing sweeping old school. I wish I had a cute little Dyson, but I don't. I used to have this cordless vacuum that I would use all the time. You might see it in some previous videos, but the motor broke on it. So we're just gonna do some old-fashioned sweeping on all of my tile floors. It's gonna take a little bit, but this is actually more relaxing for me than washing the dishes. Right now, I decided to go ahead and pick up all of the bar stools. That way I could really get in this little area and sweep under the couch. And you can see there is a little bit of pile of crumbs, like not a little bit, it's a huge pile. I wish I would have zoomed in on this so y'all would see. But my kids eat all the time on the counter here. So of course, every other day there are just crumbs everywhere. They're little kids, that's just what happens. So I'm just getting all of that junk out of there. We are almost done with sweeping the first floor. We have one more room, which is the guest bathroom. I'm going to shake off all of the dirt and grass that's on this bath mat and get this little area swept out so we can move on to the living room. You can imagine my surprise when I moved this ottoman and found all kinds of stuff underneath. I was kind of a little annoyed that there were cups under there since I just washed all of the dishes. But what can you do? I'm going to shake on some of this, I forgot what it's called. It's like baking soda, I guess, for carpets. And I'm going to put that on there while I clean up and tidy up the living room so it can sit into our rug. And then we will vacuum it all up.
Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere, I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
I finished vacuuming all of the carpet that was in the living room, and then I got sidetracked and remembered that I forgot to clean the counters and the mirror in the bathroom. So I went back to do that before I forgot to do that at the very end. So I'm going to spray all of the counters with the granite spray that I used in the kitchen, and then I'm going to wipe the sink on the inside. We're going to clean the mirrors, and then I'm going to decorate this little stand that I have in here with some little plants, and then we will finish up the living room.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
And we are almost finished. Just going to move my ottoman back and fix this little blanket that's on my fireplace in this basket. And we are finished with our tidy up with me. All right, we are finished. That was a quick little tidy up with me. Nothing too intense, no deep cleaning, just kind of tidying out to have a fresh start for the next day. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoy these type of videos. I would love to do more of them, and maybe even like a deep cleaning routine. If you guys are interested in seeing that, or you have any other suggestions for videos, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.